What if I told you you can actually earn 400,000 naira to 2 million naira every month as a business owner, as a salary earner, or as a civil servant through product marketing? My name is Lord Joshua. I am Dynace Global Ambassador. Dynace Global is a multi-level marketing company committed to helping you gain financial freedom. In few months, as a Dynace Global Ambassador and partner, I've been able to pay my bills comfortably and live the life I've always dreamt of. To help you be like me and even better, my team and I have launched the Project 20 Millionaires Business Tour. If you want to make a transition from financial struggle to financial freedom, just like I did, then Project 20 Millionaires Business Tour is for you. Join the business tour as we embark on a mission to raise 20 millionaires in every state across the Federation. To be part of this project, kindly check the screen for our contact details. To you who will be part of this project, congratulations and welcome to the Millionaires Gang in advance.